Welcome to breaking things with pasta. I mean, welcome to building things with pasta. This is a motherboard. This is a screwdriver. This is a $240 motherboard by Asus Prime X470 Pro. Or is it the 470 Pro? I know very few things in this world. One thing I do know is that this thing goes into this thing. So we're gonna do it. Wait, the big thing is the motherboard, and this little thing is a solid state drive. It's 500 gigabytes. $2,000. No big deal. That's what I want. The Ryzen. $2700X. So that's just the big fan that keeps things from blowing up.
Open this very carefully. Upside down. Find the arrow and line up the arrow with that arrow. Oh, I'm doing it!
No, wait, I'm scared. Resistance. I'm doing things. Okay. Okay. So the next part is the fan. Do I have to be careful picking up this fan? You have to be careful picking up everything.
You have to be careful picking up everything.
Okay. Oh. Okay. I know that the USB goes in that one.
I'm struggling. Uh-oh. These aren't attached to anything. How am I supposed to know where these go? What for? Oh, I get it. Do I get it? Okay, so I lined up this side totally all on my own. And then I'm gonna pull this thing up. And it's gonna click. Let me just reenact what just happened, okay? I lined it up, and then I lined up this side, and then it went clink, and then I did it all on my own. I feel like I love you always forever. Okay, now this thing goes in the CPU fan clicky doohickey with the forks. Okay, so this has to go this way, right? Oh, do you have to force this too? For something that you have to be really gentle with, why is there so much forcing of things? I can't do it. You're gonna destroy this, be careful. I'm gentle, and they come in with like hammers. Horse trash. I've been told to ignore these. I guess this computer just doesn't need this. What's next? Okay, so to recap, it's been 17 hours. The Ryzen 2700X, 8-core, 16-thread processor, 4.3 GHz of max boost. I put that in, and then I did the fan. And now I don't know what to do. I just want to touch everything. I'm not going to. Just want to. I'm going to take these screws off. I'm not going to strip them. Giggity. I'm going to be firm. I'm being firm yet gentle. Can I touch this? Wait, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Got it. Oh, I did it. Screwed in it. Do you remember this song? Did I mention it was being supervised? I'm being very closely supervised. Alan, come back! Alan's a hipster who lives just below the poverty line. He's very happy. He owns a record store. He's a hipster. And some think he's on the asexual spectrum, but I don't.
Like, if you don't want me talking about that, what can I talk about? You're not gonna argue with me, is that what you said? Probably for the best. Okay, the screws are up. Okay.
Fun fact, this song, Zeus Pantera, hit 100,000 subscribers while this was playing on his stream. My song. Maybe one day I'll hit 100,000 subscribers. So, this is my pack of screws. The HDD tray screw for the motherboard. This motherboard screw and optional HDD tray.
Ooh, that'll work on my glasses. Oh, who did this?
They literally put them all in one bag, like I know what I'm doing. Oh, twist ties. Well, there's most of these, so those must be the 32. So by process of elimination, these must be the 15. They call me Mr. Bombastic. Okay, I think I have the screws that I need. Whoa. They all look the same. Do they do this on purpose? Okay. Okay, now what? screw them in. I just feel like I shouldn't be touching this. Makes me nervous. So this slides in like this.
What's going on?
Yeah. You know I'm touching it. Of the season. Give it to me easy. Oh. I did it. 15. Motherboard screw. That's this one. Who's your daddy?
This is not shit at all.
Who's your daddy? I don't think that's the right screw. I'm gonna edit this whole thing with the hamster dance just playing in the background. When I die, I want the hamster dance playing while people walk in to look at my body in the casket. Okay, so I was trying to put a screw directly into the motherboard, but apparently that's not what Asus wants you to do. Asus wants you to put a screw and then another screw in that screw, like this. Next step. This thing. Okay. So, this blue shit comes off. Is this like reversible? What are the chances I can figure this out on my own?
Okay, then this sticky part just goes right on top. What am I lining it up with then? This isn't lining up with anything though. Oh, I get it. I see your holes. Okay.
Oh, it's like a really bad puzzle that I never wanted to do. This is like really intense. What if I put it down and it's in the wrong spot? Okay, I'm like sweating. Ugh. But what's the point of the sticky stuff if there's still screws? Oh, no! It's in the motherboard. It lives in the motherboard now. This is like intense. People do this for a living. And I'm like, nah, man. heavy case. Okay. I have the tower on its side, and I was given a lecture about putting a silver thing in before the motherboard. We need to locate said silver thing. What is this? You get a DVD? They still make these?
This thing has to go in first. How do I know which way goes up?
Then, oh, you have to do it hard. Do it hard. After they tell me, be careful, be gentle. Then we're like manhandling this thing. Yeah, I don't get this. This is very scratchy, I feel. I'm doing it. Oh, this is my jam. Ugh. I can't do it. Okay. I'm scared. The motherboard's in, the fan is there, something about CPU. I did the sticky thing. That was probably the most difficult part for me because it scared me and made me sweat. Because once you put it down, you can't pick it back up. And that commitment, you know.
Change my profession.
Okay. Next is the power supply. I constantly have to be like telling myself, lefty loosey, ready teddy. Hello? Get out. What? Take these out. Nailed it. I'm so good at this.
What is this? I haven't touched this yet.
Lay down. Good girl. Wow. Good girl. You're such a good puppy. Amazing. Like you're trained or something. No. Good girl. I'm screwing this onto here. How?
Women have no place in electronics.
Man.
Audrey, you gotta go lay down, baby. Can I?
This one. Goes here. Like here. How do I know when I got it? These are both 8-pin. How do I know which one is which?
Get it up through the top corner one. Does the clip go up? Okay.
And pull this off. Okay.
Just the one side?
This?
Like, which one? Up here? Like this? Snake somewhere?
Want me to do the rest?
Sure.
You said the top one first? I can't screw it in with my... This? It's all broke apart. And then feed the cord over the end. Okay.
Where you go? That? Yeah. This is real? Does that fit?
Okay. Put this end in, then this end in.
That end is in. Then I push this end in. How do I push it? Push it in, push it out at the same time, and it'll snap it. Oof. So hard. Okay. We have seen with the jump. I think this one. And I can't see.
Sick, bro.